Sogeti TestExpo the 14th of September, and generative AI and quality engineering and testing. What's the current status? Help us here.
So that's just an amazing topic. Generative AI, for sure, is going to redefine our topic, quality engineering and testing. As I said, it has already started. So imagine business requirements that are clear, that are thorough, leaving no room for ambiguity. Next, it crafts to detail user stories, setting a strong foundation for the rest of DevOps. From there, automated test case creation, tailored to the stories that we would have generated with generative AI. And it doesn't stop there. Generative AI really further streamlines the process by generating precise test scripts, potentially cutting the scripting times by 30%. But the horizon of generative AI, which is huge, stretches even further. Think about creating synthetic data, environment crafting, UI validations, performance profiling, and much more. So all in all, as Sogeti, we've uncovered 20 ways generative AI can amplify our testing processes. So there's a full spectrum of use cases, right? And obviously, we'll discover more as we explore together. However, probably a word of caution, and I think it's fair to share this, as we go much further in generative AI, our human expertise really remains vital. It remains essential. We are here to verify the outputs of generative AI and uphold the highest standards of data protection, right? But this is absolutely critical. We must be there as the final touch points of validation. Now you can picture this generative AI with all its vast capabilities integrates with our hands-on expertise across the entire DevOps ecosystem. It's going to be rendering a blend of precision, agility, and setting the stage for unparalleled quality in the product we ship.
I think that listening to you, it's like it's the biggest transformation. It's a revolution. It's all these words uh, is in my mind at the moment. But in these times of AI, is always the question: how do I start? Where do I begin?
And for sure, embarking on this new journey, especially in quality engineering and testing, where our purpose is obviously to help the dev team ship quality product, we have to do the same with generative AI. So we have to get started on the right foot. So I would say, let's be very pragmatic, all of us, disregarding the company we work for. It's about problem first. We need to identify and prioritize the issues, the challenges we are facing. We need to understand the why before the how. What's ailing our testing process? What is it? Then we have to pinpoint it and discuss it all together. The second point is that no IT, no company, no organization is generic. So the same goes for your generative AI tools or platform or solutions you want to adopt. We need to consider, all of us, our enterprise IT requirements, from data privacy to scalability, ethics, to the integration of generative AI, whether it is in QE&T and beyond in DevOps, really ensuring that generative AI really aligns with our unique ecosystem. The third point that I always have in mind is, yes, generative AI provides groundbreaking potential, but the human touch remains irreplaceable. We need always to double check the output of AI, ensuring that we match the industry standard or the quality standard that we have set in our companies. And again, just to finish on this point, generative AI is a new tool, is a new platform. It's not a replacement. It does not change our purpose, especially in quality. Our work still remains unchanged. However, it's a new territory for many of us. Everybody is pioneering generative AI. So it's a all a discovery sessions for all together. So a lot of humility, I would say, in that exploration. It is essential to learn, to iterate, and to share.
And sharing will be one of the key things that's going to happen the 14th of September at TestExpo in Stockholm. And what do you think will be, they can walk up to you and ask you questions, but what will be the common questions you will get, do you think?
So the question that we're getting from the last 6 months of interacting with our customers is about privacy, for sure. How does it integrate within my enterprise IT ecosystem? Also, how does it help us? Is it going to replace us? What sort of benefits have you seen so far? What should I prioritize in terms of use cases? All of that. And there's actually more, but these are the tip of the iceberg questions.
Well, we see you at the TestExpo the 14th of September. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.